Hi, welcome to Fix and Tricks channel. Today we have a laser distance meter that the LCD have some problem, and why I want to open it and see what's inside and if we can change the display. First of all, before we start, if you love fixing electronic instead of throwing them away, make sure to subscribe to Fix and Tricks and hit the bell so you don't miss the next this that it's so important for me and encourage me to make better videos in future. Okay, back to work, guys. First of all, let me to show you what's the problem. Instead of battery, I connect the power supply 6 volt on the power supply, and as you see, guys, this part of the LCD has gone and doesn't display anything. If you want to measure the distance, as you see, this is burned and doesn't show the complete number. Okay, let me to open it and see what's inside as an experience. Okay, after we untighten the screws, we have to pull out this rubber cap, and we have to take out this module. I think this rubber causes it to, okay, like this. You can take out the module inside the laser distance meter. Okay, guys, as you see, some segments are disappear. Let me to see behind the LCD and check the flat cable connection. Yes, you can see the flex cable looks perfectly soldered, but the problem is actually inside the LCD glass, I think. This is a failed heat-sealed ITO connection. Pressing the display temporarily restore the contact, and unfortunately this kind of damage is not really repairable without factory equipment. Since the pressing on the display make the missing segment appear, this tells us the issue is on internal connection inside the LCD. This flex cable is soldered properly, but the actual problem is the heat sealed connection between the glass and the internal conductive layer. As a temporary workaround, I'm placing a thin piece of foam behind the LCD to apply a constant gentle pressure. This pressure helps restore contact between the damaged traces, but it's not a permanent repair. over time the problem may come back. The real fix would be replacing the LCD, but we can test our chances and do this. I prefer this piece of foam, and this is only a temporary fix, and the foam apply pressure and restore the contacts, but the LCD itself is damaged. Let me to test it and show it to you. Okay guys, I put the foam behind the LCD and the adhesive band put the constant pressure on the LCD. Let me to turn it on. As you see, it's not useful, and the segment is disappeared as before. Okay guys, this repair reminds us of an important truth. Not everything can be fixed. Sometimes the problem isn't a loose wire or a bad component, it's damage deep inside the device. We can test, diagnose, and even apply temporary workaround, but some failures are simply beyond repair. And knowing when a repair is not possible is just as important as knowing how to fix things. Fixing is about learning, not just winning every time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel and like the videos if you like them. Bye for now.